What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canary again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript. Today, we're going to be talking about arrays. What is an array? An array is a collection of values. Yeah, it could be like a list of colors, a list of your favorite foods, favorite singers, actors, or whatever. And each value is called an element. And each element has a numeric position on the array called index. So it starts from position 0, index 0, and goes all the way. So like we're going to show in the example right now. So let's do a bar color or color. Usually it's going to be inside a bracket, a quotation mark. Let's do red, color red. Let's do color brown. Is there brown? Yeah. Let's do orange. And let's do yellow. So all of these values, there is 4 values right here, right? But actually for that computer, it's only 3 because it starts at position 0, 1, 2, and 3. So how do you access this? So we're going to access we're going to be accessing by the following way. So get you already know we're going to do our ID, which is demo. So we have that inner HTML equals, we're going to access all of them. Let's do color. Let's save that. It should give us all the colors right here that we have. Here, red, brown, orange, yellow. Oh, cool. So now, what about if you want to change the color of maybe yellow? You want to do green in there. So let's count the positions, like 0, 1, 2, 3. It's position 3, right? So let's do color. Position, what was it? Position 3. And then you just change the color right here. So what's going to be the color? It's going to be green. So right here, it should give me, so red, brown, orange, yellow. So yellow is going to be green. So let's save that. Cool. That really changed it. It gave me green. Nice. Now, if you want to set access just one value or one element at a time, so what you can do is brackets and the variable name, and then you give the position number, whatever you wanna print on the screen. So let's do number 2, which is going to be orange. So that should give me orange. Cool. Let's do 0, position 0. That should give me red. Okay. Let's try one more. Let's do 3. Should give me yellow. Yeah, that's working fine. Working cool. So also arrays, also they are objects. So we can do color equals a new array, and then you just do the same thing, red, brown, comma, etc. So later we're going to talk about more about this. This is going to be more in-depth tutorial on objects. By the way, so if you have any questions, this was a very short video in arrays, just to give you a little bit of an understanding how array works. So it's not that bad. It's pretty simple. It helps you a lot. By the way, so thank you for checking the video. Have a good night. Like and subscribe to the channel. Please, we need more subscribers. Okay. All right. Have a good night. See you in the next video. Bye.